Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah, we'll get started now. Today probably will be a short lesson. I tried to compare the lesson number 1 and lesson number 2 with for the book number 7, but we won't be able to do both at the same time. So we'll probably just do a shorter lesson based on what we had learned the last time from our book number 7 and lesson number 1. So this is part B of lesson number 1 of book number 7. I'll share my screen with you. Okay, this is your book 7, lesson 1. This is part B, by the way. So I'm just going to go through quickly directly to where we were. So just keep in mind that the last time we learned two things, which is Ismal Makan was Zaman, which is the nouns of the place and the time. For example, the example of one of those is Mal'abun. It's a place which is which is called as a playground. So this is a small makan. And then you also have Kataba, so it changes into Maktabun, the place or a desk where you're going to write something, right? Then you have Sharaka and then you have Gharaba. So it's a noun of the place and the time is what we had learned the last time. And we also went through their different patterns on how these are written and how they are pronounced, right? So for example, maf'alun and maf'ilun, these are the two primary patterns that we actually learned the last time. So I'll go directly to the exercises now. We also did the translation exercise the last time, so I'll just skip that as well. This is probably one of your shortest lessons ever. Okay, so if you remember, in the last time we actually had our conversation. So I'm just going to give you a very quick understanding of what these questions are. This is related to the translation exercise that we did the last time. From that translation exercise, these questions have appeared over here. So I'm going to give you the answers as well in English, and then you'll have to translate those into Arabic. So what we will do, we will have Brother Abdullah Saeed will do number 1 and 2. Sister Azumi will do number 3, and Brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama will do number 4 and 5. So let's translate the questions first. Then I'm going to give you the answers in English. Then you will translate those answers into Arabic. All right, so let's start with Brother Abdullah Saeed.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ما عدد المشتركين في رحلة الحج? So, how many participants were on the trip to Hajj?
Are, not were. So it is.
Sorry.
Present tense.
Okay.
And read the
نعم.
third word. Read one more time the third word, Brother Abdullah Saeed. Ma'adadu.
ما عدد مشتركين
Okay, I got it.
في رحلة الحج?
So the answer to this question is there are 30 students. So the total of 30 students that actually participated in it. So how would you say that in Arabic?
When I say فيها 30 طلاب.
Taliban.
Okay.
Yeah. So there are 30 students. Okay. The next one.
أين ذهب حامد وعبد الباقي? Where did Hamid and Abdul Baqi go?
So the answer is Hamid is in the restaurant while Abdul Baqi has gone to the bank.
So حامد في مطعم.
Very good.
وعبد الباقي ذهب إلى مصرف.
Very good.
مصر.
Excellent. So, Shirazumi, the number 3 is for you.
Okay. متى موعد السفر? What is the time of the travel or the trip?
What is the date for the travel?
Okay, the date. Is it the date or the time?
Yeah, it's this over here. It will be used as a date, or you can
Okay.
say actually time is time is okay. Yeah, time is fine. You can use time over here. So the answer
Okay.
for this one will be the departure time is 3 o'clock.
Uh, بعد موعد uh, في ساعة ثلاث
موعد السفر.
موعد السفر في ساعة ثالثة.
Very good. Okay, brother Hafiz Ahmad Sama, next two are for you.
أين يلتقي الطلاب? Where did the students meet? وفي أي ساعة and at which time?
Very good. So the answer is the students will meet in the university parking lot. That's the first part. And the second part is half an hour before the departure time.
يلتقي الطلاب في موافق السيارات في موافق السيارات it would be بالجامعة
Mm-hmm.
and an hour before departure time.
Half an hour before the departure time. The for the travel, you will use the word موعد السفر, and then for half an hour, the word is بنصف ساعة.
موعد السفر
So قبل موعد السفر بنصف ساعة, like half an hour
بنصف ساعة
before
yeah.
half an hour
موعد
before.
السفر قبل بنصف ساعة.
But you have to use the word قبل before that, Usami, because it is half an hour before the departure time.
Yep. موعد سفري قبل نصف ساعة.
قبل موعد السفر بنصف ساعة.
Oh yeah. Yep. قبل موعد السفر بنصف ساعة.
Very good. The next question.
أين يلحق بهم طلاب المهجع الثاني? What was attached with the dormitory with the students' secondary dormitory?
Sorry, say it one more time.
What was attached with the students' secondary dormitory?
So the answer, this what they're asking here is related to, remember I'll remind everybody about the conversation. So one of the students said that the students from the second hostel or from the second dormitory was not there. So now the question
Where
is,
was? Yep.
where will the students of the second hostel join them? Because they
Oh
have to
yes,
join
sir.
these
Yeah.
people for the Hajj.
Where will the students of the secondary dormitory would join them?
Very good. The answer is they will join them at the old train station.
يلحق بهم طلاب في محطة القطار في محطة القطار القديمة.
Kadima. Yeah.
قديمة.
Very good. And here are the answers for all of it. Actually, one second, why is this not moving? Let me share my screen again. Here's the answer for all of these. And the next exercise, I just added it in there just to give everybody an understanding that what we were learning. But I've already mentioned this beginning of the lesson that we were learning Ismal Makan was Zaman, that the nouns of the place and the time, right? So that's what we have learned. And I already gave you the examples of this. There are 4 different patterns. Patterns are generally 2. You'll call only 2 patterns, but they're divided into 4 because of how different verbs for Nakis and for Mithal and present tense and past tense, how they're actually made. So on the next page, what you will see are different verbs that you have to convert into Ismail, Makan, was Zaman. Okay, so first you have to translate the verbs and then convert those verbs into Ismail, Makan, was Zaman. Here's the page. So what we will do, the right side on top, we have 3 words, Sa'a yas'a, Laha yalhu, Rama yarmi. These we will have Sister Naila do. Then the bottom 2, Ava Yavi and Nafa Yanfi, we will have Sister Mehreen complete these 2. Then on the left hand side, we have Laiba Yalabu, Taima Yatamu, Tabaha Yatbukhu. We will have Brother Ahmad Keen do these 3. And on the left hand side, bottom 2, Qada Yaqudu, Haja'a Yahju. We will have Brother Umar and DI do these. So let's start with Sister Naila for the first 3 on the right hand side. First, translate the verb and then convert that into Ismal Makan was Zaman and translate that too.
Okay, it's going to Sa'a Yas'a. This is like to walk between the Safa and Marwa.
Mhm.
And then it's going to be Sa'yan or no, I don't know.
Mas'a.
Must. Okay, must.
So the way to write it is mas'an. Mas'an, but you won't say it like that. You'll pronounce it as mas'a.
Must. Okay. So Laha Yalhu to play and it's going to be Malhan then? No.
Malha, very good.
Mal.
Yeah.
Okay. Rama Yarmi.
But what is the meaning of Malha?
Malhan is like to play or to.
It's a small makan was zaman, so it's not to play.
Oh,
It's to
the
play.
place of play. The place like a Malhan is going to be
Place of entertainment.
entertainment. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Like we have those
playground and stuff.
no, playground is different. So we have those places like Dave and Buster's kind of places.
Oh, okay.
That's a place of entertainment.
All right. So the Malha is the place of entertainment. Rama Yarmi is Rama like to stoning or something. Okay. And I've actually have to go back on the lesson, Bilal bhai. I couldn't listen the whole recording, so I'm kind of Marian maybe Maran or Mara'a.
Who can give the answer for this one?
I'm not sure.
Anybody else? Answer for this, Rama Yermi. What is the answer for this?
Marma.
Marma.
Marma. Very good. Marma is the correct answer. So that place where you will actually throw the stones. Actually, this same word can be used a place of throwing, but technically we use this because of the Jamarat. So that's why the place of throwing the stones is called as Marma.
Marma. Okay.
Okay, last 2 are for Sister Marine.
Ava, yeah, we seek refuge, I think.
We seek refuge, very good.
I think Ma'wa.
Ma'wa, yeah. This word is used in Quran also. Ma'wa.
Yeah.
Which means shelter or refuge. Shelter, a place of shelter.
Nafi Yanfi, to deport, I think. To deport, to deny.
Yeah, but what is the meaning?
Yeah. Manfi.
Manfa.
Manfa, okay.
Manfan is how you will write it, but it actually is manfa. And what is the meaning of it?
To deport, to deny.
That's the meaning of the verb.
You are talking about manfa, right?
Yes.
Uh, Place of denial or place of deportation? I don't know.
Yeah, you can say that. Yes. Yes. Okay. Left hand side, top three, Brother Ahmad Keen.
لعب يلعب means to play, and the place, which is literally a playground, ملعب صح. And then طعم يطعم is to, you can say eat, and then the اسم المكان is مطعم,
Meaning.
a restaurant.
Very good.
طبخ يطبخ is to make, to cook, I'm sorry. And مطبخ is you can say kitchen.
Kitchen. Yes. Very good. Last two are for Brother Umar India.
Hello?
We can
Can
hear
you
you.
hear me? Can you hear me? Hello?
Go ahead, Brother Umar India. We can hear you.
Okay. Qada yaqadu. Yaqudu is to sit,
Very good.
and maq'adu is ismul makan.
Yes. And
Haja,
meaning of maqad.
place to sit.
Very good.
Maja'a yahja'u is to sleep.
Haja'a yahja'u.
Haja yahja'u is to sleep. Mahja'u is the place to sleep.
Very good. One quick second to fix this. I just have to find one quick thing to correct one mistake. Almost done. Just try to. Because I had incorrectly written, so I'm going to ask one more time. All right. So, Brother Umar India, do the last one more time.
قعد يقعد.
No. Haja yahjau. Do it one more time.
Haja yahjau. It means to sleep.
Okay. And mahja.
Mahjau is the place to sleep.
So that actually the word is used for hostel.
Hostel.
Yeah, that's the place for the dormitory or hostel. That's the word it is used for. It is okay that it is a place to sleep, but it is actually the word actually is used for the hostel or dormitory.
Okay.
All right. This is the translation for all of these. Next one. So these three, the first three on the right will be done by Brother Abdullah Saeed. And the ones on the left will be done by Brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama. You already know the example up top. So just do the translation for the three that you have at the bottom. So start from Kama Yakumu. Brother Abdullah Said, let's start.
Okay, listen. Comma, to undertake, comma, yakumu, and then
Meaning?
Okay. Yakumu, he carries out.
So Brother Abdullah said, what is the meaning of Kama Yakumu?
Karma is to undertake or something, to undertake.
Is to take?
To take, okay, Yakumu.
No.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, do the small makan and then I'll see what do you understand.
I should do the karma, or which one?
So Kama Yakumu, give me the small makan for this.
Okay, that is makamu.
Okay.
Makamu.
Or you'll just say makam. You don't have to say makamun. You will write it as makamun. You'll write it as makamun, but you can simply say makam. So what does it mean?
That's the situation.
No. So
Makamu Ibrahim, a place.
It's a place of standing.
Place of standing, okay.
So we say Maqam Ibrahim. The reason why we say Maqam Ibrahim, that's the place where Ibrahim alayhi salam stood, right? So that's why we call it as Maqam Ibrahim. However, realistically, that is not the place where he stood, by the way. Okay, that's a place or the stone on which he actually stood up, because there is a stone inside, right? I mean, it has his footsteps on it. So that's a place. So it's a place of standing. So that's why we call it as Maqam Ibrahim. Now that Maqam Ibrahim is not the place where Ibrahim alayhi salam stood. He stood on that stone that is inside the Maqam Ibrahim.
So the stone was shifted from the Kaaba, right?
Yes, it was shifted. Yes. Yeah, it is because that became too crowded. Because if you can imagine, when the people are doing the tawaf, it becomes pretty difficult. So they shifted that. That's all. Okay, next one.
Next one.
Tafa yatufu.
Okay. Tafa, that is circumambulation of Tafa, Yatufu, circumambulation of the Kaaba, more or less going around. And it will be Mataf or Mataf. Yeah.
The area.
That's Tawaf.
Yeah. That's the place of doing those rounds underneath. Right? The place at the bottom, that place is called as Mataf.
Mataf, okay.
Okay, next.
So, Zara, Yazuru. Zara is visited. Yazuru, he visits. So it will be mazar, mazar or mazaru, mazar,
Translation.
mazar, a place of visitation.
It's a place of visitation.
A place of visitation. Okay.
You know, like it's a bid'ah, but you know, a lot of people create those mazars for the like big, let's say, saints. Sometimes people go to the places or where they have those they call it as a mazar because that's a place where people go and visit those the graves of the saints, in other words. So that a lot of time that word is used for them. So for example, if you go to Iran or Iraq, you will see the mazar of Ali bin Abi Talib or Hussein radiallahu anhu or Hassan radiallahu anhu. That place is called as mazar. Okay. Left hand side for Brother Abdullah, Hafiz Muhammad Osama. One quick second, there is a lot of. Okay. No. So maybe please go ahead.
لا يحل محل. That means to resolve something,
Halla yahullu.
to analyze, to resolve.
And what will be the small makan for that?
Mahal.
Yeah. And then what does it mean, mahal?
Mahal mean is it the same as the Urdu one?
It's an
Same
Urdu
as the
word,
Urdu
yes.
one? Yeah, I'm
Yes.
asking same as the Urdu. Mahal is like what do you say?
Palace.
Palace, yes.
So then the word you use for halla yahullu is not accurate.
To stay.
Yes, that's the
To
right
stay.
word. Yes.
Or I luxury stay.
Mm-hmm.
What did I say? Karra yakuru, to settle down. Makar is would be the ismuzama, ismaka.
Maqarrun. Yeah, maqar. Yeah,
Makar,
maqar is fine.
the person who settles down. Atta yahutu is to take off the load. The ism would be mahat, the person who takes off the load or takes on the load. Or the laborer, I guess, should I say.
Hatta yahutu. Somebody do it one more time.
To take off the load. To take down
That's
the
right.
load.
That's right. That's right. And then
And mahat would be the person who takes down the load. Or we can call him laborer.
No, Sami. This is a small makan. We can't have a person. It's a place.
A place. Mahat is the place where we take down the load. Storeroom.
No, just think about a word that's called as a station. What did you use for station? Like a
Mahatta.
airport or a train station? What will you call it?
Mahattatun.
Yeah. So then, what does it change into? So this change hatta yahutu will change into muhatta, right?
Mahatta,
So
yeah.
or muhattatun, you can change that.
Mahattatun, yeah.
So that will make it as a station, meaning a
Loading
place
station.
to put down or a place to stop. Right. So when you say hatta yahutu is to take the load down, or you can say to put down or to stop. And the small makan will be muhattatun, which is called as a station. For example, muhattatul qitar, which is train station. So that's a word that it will change into. So let me show you. So if you look at the bottom, muhattatun, that's actually the station or a stopping place. For example, muhattatul qitar is the train station. Sabi, is it clear or you?
It's clear.
Okay. Okay, next two. So these ones we will do. Sister Azumi, you will do everything on the right, and Sister Naila, you can do everything on the left. Same thing.
Okay. Walada yalidu, to give birth. In the Maulid, to create or what? Create.
What does the word
Created.
what is the word molid means?
Maulid is to give birth or created.
No, molid is a place. How can it be to give birth?
Place where birth is given.
Yes, birthplace.
Okay. Warada Yaridu. Then he replies. Or then the Maurit is resource place. Resource.
Resorts, and by the way, the same
Center.
word is used for, a place where you can actually deliver the water, like a watering place. That's also used for the same word, morid.
Okay. So Wakafa Yakifu, he stands or to stand. Mokif, car park or a park. Then Wada'a Yada'u, to place. The Mawdi'u, then the position, the place you place something.
To place, or yeah, that place is location. Okay. I'm just trying to remember the word morid in Quran. It is mentioned in Quran. I think it's Basil Varidul Morid. Yeah, I think it's the word Moridun is used in Quran. I'm just trying to remember. I can't remember it right now. Okay. Sister Naila, everything on the left hand side.
Raja Yarjiu is to return, and Marji will be the place to return.
Place of return.
Yeah. Sarafa, Yasrifu, I think Masrifu is the bank, but Sarafa Yasrifu is I don't know how to.
Masrif is the bank.
Bank, yeah. And Arada Yaridu is like to display, and Morid will be the place where something can be displayed, or I mean, the place to like an exhibition place or something. No, I don't. Arada
Yes,
Yaridu.
yes, it is.
Okay.
That word basically is practically used for exhibition. You're right.
Jalasa Yajlisu is to sit, and Majlis will be the place where like Majlis is the place to sit.
It's like a gathering.
Gathering, yeah.
Yeah, word Majlis is used for gathering. The word Raja Yarjiu actually is used very often in Quran.
Yeah.
Which is when Allah says that you all will return to me. So Allah is to your return, which is very often used, the Raja Yarjiu, which is like in Surah Al-Ma'idah, it is mentioned as Ilallahi marji'ukum jamia. To Allah is your return, all of you. So it's this word, Raja Yarjiu and Marji'u, in different forms is used in Quran a lot.
Yeah.
Here's the translation for all of these. Is it over already? Let me check. Seems it's over. Okay, yes. No, it's not. No, it's not. I was thinking it's over. Okay, next one is difficult. Okay. So here's what we will do. We will translate these sentences. Then you will find out Ismal Makan wa Zama from all of these words that you have here. Identify what are those words. So it's super simple. Number 1 is for brother Abdullah Saeed. Number 2 is for brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama. Number 3 for sister Mehreen. Number 4 for sister Naila. Number 5 for sister Azumi. Number 6 for brother Umar NDI. And number 7 for brother Ahmad Keen. Let's start. First translate and then find the Ismal Makan Zama.
Yakul, he says, Huwa minni.
No, it says Yuqal.
Oh, you can't. You can't, okay. هو مني
Nope. You have to translate yuqal.
يقال يقال
It is said. It is
It is
said.
it is هو مني بمرأى ومسمع أين بحيث أراه وأسمع كلامه. So he is within my sight and hearing. I بحيث such that أراه وأسمع أراه I see him وأسمع كلامه and he hears the words of him.
Translate.
وأسمع.
Translate the whole sentence all at the same time.
Okay. So he is within my sight and my hearing, and such that I see him and watch him out and hears his words.
Here is speech. Very good. Okay, now which ones are Ismail, Wakan, was Zaman?
Okay. Masma'u.
That is one.
That's one. And then
The one
do
before
you
that
have
is also.
yeah, Bimar. Okay.
So Mar'a and Masma' both are Ismail,
Masma'.
Makan, was Zaman.
Okay.
Okay, next one, Brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama.
قال الله تعالى الله تبارك وتعالى says أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن موعدهم الصبح ليس الصبح بقريب. Indeed, the place of meeting is the morning. Isn't the morning near? And the Ismul Maka is
I mean,
موعدهم.
do it, translate one more time. So Allah the Exalted said, indeed.
Allah تبارك وتعالى says إن موعدهم الصبح. Indeed, or without doubt, the place of meeting is the morning.
So it says Mu'idahum, which means
Their place of
their,
meeting. Yep,
yes.
their place of meeting is the morning. ليس الصبح بقريب. Isn't the morning near?
Very good. Yeah, their appointed time, meeting time is the morning. Is the morning not near? Very good. So now you have to find Ismail, Makan, was Zaman.
Small Makan is موعدهم.
So Ma'id is the actual word. So
موعدهم.
hum actually is for them, right? So
موعد.
Mu'id is the real word. Okay, very good.
Yep.
The next
And
one is for,
Ismail's.
yes,
Sorry.
small. Go ahead, Usami.
And there is no Ismul Makan, Ismul Zaman in this one.
Correct. Well, Subh can be used.
It can be used, but
That's fine. Like morning time is the Ismail Zaman. So okay. So next one is for Sister Mehreen.
Wakala, and it is said, Lakat
And
Kana,
no. Waqala is, and he said.
he said, sorry. Wakala, he said, Lakat Kana lisabai fi maskanihim. Lakat Kana lisabai fi maskanihim ayah. Indeed, Kana lisabai. لقد كان للسبع في
I
Hopefully, I gave you. Was that for you or was that for Sister Naila? I hope I didn't
it,
switch between both.
no, I think it was for me. I'm not wrong.
Okay. So it says, it means that, and he said, Laqad kana, meaning that, and we, lisabai fi maskanihim aya, that we have that we have certainly established them in a position or a place. And then Allah says, Jannatane an yamini wa shimal, and we have, in which we have not established you, and we made them hearing, made for them hearing and the vision.
Okay.
So that's the overall translation. But let's find the actual
Mm,
problem here. What is the
Saman is Makan is Maskani.
maskan? Only maskan. Maskani
Maskan, sorry. Yeah,
him is for them. So we'll only use
for
maskan.
them. Yeah.
Yeah, one quick second. One second. Yeah, I think I have to fix this. Because this is talking about, this is from Surah Sabah, and this is talking about the Sabah itself. So let me make sure that I have the correct understanding. Yeah, so this was talking about Sabah. Okay, I got it. It talks about the two gardens, one on
It's
the
not
right.
ayah number 10, Bilal. It's ayah number 15.
It is 15. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So ayah number 15. But it is talking about the Sabah, and then it talks about the two gardens. Because Jannatan is the gardens, and then Allah says Yamin wa Shimal. So one is on the left and one is on the right. So Yamin is on the right, Shimal is on the left. And yeah, that's fine. Okay. So the actual translation for this one will be, and he said, which is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, indeed there was a Sabah in their place or where they were living, two gardens, one on the left and one on the right. That's actual translation.
Mm.
I'll show one more time so you can see the translation for this. So that's the translation for this. And he said, indeed, there was for Sabah in their dwelling. Dwelling is the place to live where they stayed, which is could be a place or a house or it could be palace, it could be anything. A place, a sign, two gardens, which is Jannatan, one on the right and one on the left, which is Yamin and Shimal. Okay. So the next one is for Sister Naila. Number 4. Waqala.
Waqala, and he said, Qad alima kullu unasim mashrabahum. Qad is indeed. Alima, alima is like to know, but it's talking about the kullu unasim, like all the people. So they all the people knew mashrabahum, the place of drinking, like drinking place. So indeed, all the people knew their place of drinking, I think. And mashrab is the zarf zama. I
Very
mean
good.
makan, sorry, not zama, it's makan.
Excellent word. This ayah is not complete, by the way, but this is the meaning of it.
Okay.
Okay, next one is for Sister Azumi.
Okay. Wakala, and he said, Alaysa fi jahannama maswa lil kafirin. Is there not in hell a dwelling place for the disbelievers? And then maswa is the makan.
Very good. Okay, next one is Brother Umar Ndi.
وقال ما لكم من ملجأ يومئذ. He said, there will be no refuge or day of or place of hiding for them that day.
On that day. Very good. Next one, Brother Ahmad Keen.
Properly. I'm trying to do a headset. Is it good?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال.
So,
It was reported by Abi Hurairah that the Prophet ﷺ said, من قام من مجلسه ثم رجع إليه. Whoever gets up from his gathering and then returns to it, فهو أحق به. Then he is the most deserving of it.
yeah, for example, if you're sitting at a certain place in a gathering and you leave that place and the person comes back to that place, that person is more deserving, has the right to sit at the same place where he was sitting originally instead of somebody else taking his place. That's basically what the hadith is. Sometimes, like it used to happen in my house. So my children are sitting on, around the dining table. So one will just sit on that chair and then like other one says, well, were not here. I just sat on it. So, but the person that was sitting there before has more right to sit at that same place because he was the one who started sitting there. So that's the hadith of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, I have to.
So that means you should just not take like anybody's seat, even if they're out.
Yeah, that's
And
right.
by the way, the ism makan is majlis.
Very good. One quick second, I have to just make sure that I have the correct translation from Quran for this. I was trying to remember exactly what that ayah was. Because Surah Al-Baqarah. Okay. And here is the translation for everything. Sorry, because these are Quranic verses, so I wanted to make sure that I have exactly correct translation for all of these. So this is the correct translation for all of these. And this is where we will actually end. However, the exercise that you guys did last time, it is the same exercise that you have this time as well. And here's the reason why. When I was creating this exercise for you today, I found out that there were several words that were for some reason not part of your vocabulary in the book. So what I did, I just took those words and I added it. I'm going to add it right after this class to your vocabulary. So the number of words that you have in your vocabulary will actually increase for the lesson number 1 for book number 7. So I will request that you guys just do this test and go through the vocabulary one more time. And during the week, just do this, one more time. And that would be your exercise, or that would be your assignment for this particular week. So pretty much 41 words are already there. I've added more words, or I'm going to add more words. I've already found those words. I just have to add them to the quiz on the website, and then you just have to go there and then perform the quiz. Do the same sequence. Review the vocabulary first, then do the flashcards, and then in the end do the quiz. That's the best way to be able to memorize the words that you have for your book. And this is where we will actually end our lesson today. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, please do let me know. I'm going to send this slides right after this lesson, and the whole thing will actually get uploaded on the website as well as YouTube, within the next 1 hour or 2 hours, because it does take a little bit of a time for YouTube to upload the videos. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.